Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok too many attempts problem. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our TikTok. Now, as you can see, I'm logged in into my account, but I will switch it to add another account. So now we are on sign up on TikTok page, so I will click log in, and as you can see, we have some options like use phone, email, username, continue with Instagram, Apple, Google. Basically, if you have too many attempts using your phone, you need to try to log in with Apple or Google or maybe Instagram, of course, if they are connected. But still, we can click on use phone here, and as you can see, we have another option like email or username. So we can try to input our email connected or username basically, and then just click on password. So then when we will input something like this, we need to click on login, and probably it will help if we'll switch between these two pages. Sometimes it could help, but the most strongest way to fix this problem, we need to close the app and then just open like the manager and switch from our Wi-Fi data to mobile or from mobile to Wi-Fi. Basically switch to something like this. Yes, trust. So now we need to open our TikTok once more and basically now try to log in, and sometimes this problem could be like automatically solved by switching these things. But the another way we can do is just to go to our app store and then just try to download some VPN. So just input the VPN and then just download and use some VPNs to like avoid this problem. I won't show it, but the steps are quite simple. You can choose any VPN here. There are a lot of free and a lot of like paid plans, so you can choose the suitable one for you. So after that, we can just go to TikTok and then just successfully log in into necessary account. I hope guys this video was helpful for you and it helped you a lot. So leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.